everybody. Thanks for joining us for another update here on MarkTwainZephyr.com, also the Mark Twain Zephyr Facebook page. I'm Robert Taborn, Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad's Director of Passenger Development, here on Sunday, November the 8th. And for our next update, we're going to go down to the Tom Sawyer, the rear observation car on the Mark Twain Zephyr, where today is the first day we're starting to work on some of the electrical work already, some of the preliminary, of course, electrical work for the train. And for that, Bob's got an update. All right, we are here with Bob. And so what are you working on this weekend, Bob?
Well, we're getting ready to pull the main power to 480 through all of the cars here.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to start on this end because this will be the first one to get power.
Okay, and that's what that big spool cable is right there, then.
Yeah.
Okay, so when did you just start? When did you start this? Just now today, or
We
have you
started at about lunchtime.
Okay.
It'll just get, temporarily up in there so we can get some heat for the winter and keep the project going.
Okay.
And then in spring, there's other things underneath there that'll get removed and it'll get finalized and hung real good.
Okay, some people were asking, is the plan for, are we going to put outlets for people's cell phones and stuff in the car? Or
there'll be an outlet, a double outlet between each baseboard heater. And,
oh, wow.
And there's a baseboard per near under each window, so a lot of outlets.
A lot of outlets. Okay, so how much, any idea how much cable, you're just starting on this one car, how much cable is going to require to go through all 5 of the cars?
At least 500 feet.
500 feet of cable, okay.
500 feet.
What are some of the challenges in stringing this cable, or just, I know you're just starting.
It's thick and it's not real flexible. We got, certain spots that we have to go through the frame. We got to take into consideration the trucks and, wherever it goes through, there can't be no sharp edges over a period of time. It would cut into it. It's high voltage, 480 volts travel through it.
Okay, so
it's just laying on our backs, working on ground, and
So you put the cable, so it's going to run underneath here, the Tom Sawyer then?
Okay. Right now it's secured to things all the way along underneath the belly there, and then there'll be a plug, so when we push it back in, it can get plugged in on this end, because when it's operating, it comes from the engine. The power comes from up on the other end.
All right, 2 things I wanted to show people. First, what the cable kind of looks like, I guess. We can't, a lot of people probably have never seen that. So what are we looking in with that, or what? I see 3 things in there.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Just 3 things.
I'm pretty sure this is 2-aught.
Okay.
2-aught wire.
Okay. And that runs underneath, and then you can have objects come off of this.
No, this feeds a transformer.
Oh, okay.
And then a transformer bumps it down to 208.
Oh, okay.
3-phase. Everything is 3-phase.
Okay. And then if you take a little walk with me, I wanted to show people the what you pulled, I guess, and I presume this is what used to be on the debris pile, but this is kind of cool. And we wanted to document this before this goes into the grave, I guess the great shed where we're keeping stuff in the sky. This is kind of cool. So you've seen the new cables Bob showed you, and then these are the original?
Yeah, these 2 would have connected the main power that went from car to car into the transformer system that they had.
And that's that, right?
Well, no, that goes into the transformer.
Okay.
The mains go into the transformer, and then these here connected from car to car.
Oh.
This one here plugged into that car.
Okay.
For the main power that came off of the engine, the generator. And then these here went from car to car, where there were things that were able to be controlled all the way up front. This was a continuous wire all the way through for certain things like lights and such.
Okay.
So they could be controlled up in the engine.
So there'd be really no way but these have probably been 1930s, you think?
Oh yeah, that's original.
So that's original 1930.
Yeah.
There'd be no way to, like I said, I'm not a technical guy, but there'd be no way to actually still use those.
No,
for
our connections and everything that we use are completely different.
Okay, all right. So no way to use this. That's
No.
pretty cool though.
There's no casing or nothing. The wires they're shot.
Oh, okay.
It'd be a safety issue too, trying to reuse something like this.
Okay. Last question: How long does it take to do each of the cars, or a rough guesstimate
For
of
the electrical?
Yeah, for the electrical.
Right now we're just roughing it in.
Okay.
Good day a car.
That's it, huh?
3/4 of a day. That's just a roughing of it.
Okay. And you're gonna keep the really cool lights. You can't really see them here, but the really cool lights around the back of the Tom Sawyer.
Yeah,
we'll be able to keep those and everything. So. All right, well, very cool. We'll check in with you next Friday for another update, see how it's going. It's going to be a lot colder next week, you know that, right? None of this 70 degrees in November kind of stuff.
I'll still be smiling.
Okay, we'll see.
Let's do this. Let's pull some over this way. All right, hang on. Okay. Now you're going to have to come over here.
Why don't we just pull it all over there so I don't have to come back?
All right, I just didn't want to get all twisted.
There it is.
All right.
I was telling Bob I'm
All right, thanks a lot, Bob, for your update. Very cool that we already just up here a couple months, and we're already starting to do some of the preliminary electrical work. Very exciting times. So thanks so much for following us with this update. Again, I'm Robert Tabor, Director of Passenger Development here with the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. Continuing following us on MarkTwainZephyr.com. Also, Mark Twain Facebook page and Twitter, hashtag Mark Twain Zephyr. And hey, we'll be back with another update soon. And again, thanks a lot for following us here at the Wisconsin Great Northern as we continue to work hard on the Mark Twain Zephyr.